This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chrysler 300 mirror. Start by disconnecting the battery and gathering a plastic trim tool, socket set, and gloves. Pry off the interior trim carefully, unplug the mirror connector, and support the mirror while removing mounting bolts. Keep hardware organized and inspect wiring for damage before installing the replacement. Test the new mirror electrically and confirm alignment before finishing for a safe, neat result. Gather tools and prep the workspace so the job goes smoothly. Remove door panel clips gently and lift the panel straight up to avoid breaking tabs. Inspect the mirror harness for corrosion and clean contacts if needed, then label connectors to simplify reassembly. Support the mirror while removing bolts to prevent dropping it and damaging paint. Organize fasteners in order so reinstalling the mirror is quick and accurate without surprises. Quick recommendation: if you like tinkering on cars, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle for long garage sessions and easy one-handed sipping. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy durable insulation, a leak-proof lid, and a comfortable grip while you work. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If the mirror motor doesn't respond, verify the fuse and test socket continuity before replacing the motor. For a stuck mirror, apply a light silicone spray to pivot points and gently work the glass to free binding without forcing it. Replace any damaged clips or mounts to eliminate rattles and secure the assembly. After installing, cycle the mirror through full travel to confirm smooth operation and proper electrical function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.